Hello everyone, welcome back to YouTube channel. In today's video, we will learn how to fix MSI monitor display port no signal. Before move to the solution, let's first understand the problem. Loose or faulty DisplayPort cable, wrong input source selected, GPU PC not outputting signals or incorrect GPU setting or resolution, outdated or trapped graphic driver. Let's see the step-by-step solution of this error. Step 1. Check the DisplayPort cable. Make sure the cable is fully plugged in both the monitor and PC. Then check the bent pins or damaged connectors. Try a different DisplayPort cable. Next we have select the correct input source. Press the joystick button on the monitor. Go to input source, select a DisplayPort, then wait few seconds for signal appear. Restart your PC and monitor, then turn off the monitor and unplug the power cable. Wait at least 10 to 15 seconds, then plug in and turn on the monitor. Now let's look at step 4. Check GPU output and port. Make sure the cable is connected to the graphic card. Try a different display port output on the GPU. Step 5 is check GPU setting. Open NVIDIA control panel. Go to setup multiple display. Make sure your MSI monitor is detected. If not, click detect displays. Set the monitor as primary display if need. And step 6 is check resolution and refresh rate. Go to window display setting. Make sure a supported resolution and refresh rate is selected. Then click apply. Then update GPU driver. Update your graphic driver to the latest version. For NVIDIA, use GeForce Experience. Then last one is test with another device. Connect your MSI monitor to display port. If it works, the issue is with your original PC is resolved. If it is still so, no signal, the monitor or cable may be faulty. Here are the recommended settings, and if it is still not work and error arrange, so clean the install GPU driver, then check your firmware update, check for window update and try a different PC and GPU. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.